What's up guys, it's Mr.HighTech. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Mr.HighTech. Today I'm going to show you how to connect two Sony SRS-XB43 together as stereo speakers. I will show you right now. So the first thing you got to do, make sure they both turned off. On your phone, turn your Bluetooth off as well. Turn one of them on, simply by pressing the power button. Turn the other one on as well. The next thing is still not to turn on your Bluetooth connection on your phone, because if you connect them in this state, you will only connect to one of them instead of both. I will show you the correct steps up close. Get one of the boxes and don't rush. Open the lid on the back and press the stereo button once. Without stress, you should do the same thing on the other speaker. Now wait about 15 seconds. They will start talking. Left, right. They are connected. Now turn on your Bluetooth on your phone or iPad. Now you simply just connect it. Now you already are in stereo mode. Let's try it. This works. The other one works too. See you next time. Bye. Yeah. And now you got a good surround sound. You have your tablet in your hand or your smartphone. And it's just so different. Like you put one here and one on the other side. We don't know from where the music is coming. It's just pure genius. It's so cool. Well, that was it, guys. I hope you enjoyed. And see you next time on my channel, Mr.HighTech.